It's not unusual for clients to hire our firm after first trying to do it themselves. The worst calls I get are from clients that start out with the following words: "I was in court yesterday and it went really bad. Can you help us fix it?" It is always easier to prevent bad things from happening than it is to fix them once they have occurred. But with that said, some of the reasons that people try to do it themselves are: first, cost. They think it might be more expensive to hire an attorney, and so they don't even consult with one. Second, they're afraid that it might increase the hostility that's already present in their divorce case. Third, they think they can handle it themselves, and so they want to give it a try. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of having an attorney who knows the lay of the land. We at Holstrom, Sisson, Marks & Anderson, we know the courts where your case is going to be heard. We know the court staff at the filing window. We know the judges who are going to be deciding your case. We know the mediation staff who are going to be making recommendations to the judges about your children. And we know the strengths and the weaknesses of the court experts that are going to be making recommendations to the courts about your financial matter or about your custody case. And we can use this knowledge and information to help you get the best result possible in your case. Make the first call the right call. Call the experienced, knowledgeable, and aggressive attorneys at Holstrom, Sisson, Marks & Anderson.